Hey everyone, welcome back to Artland. Now, we've drawn a lot of different Among Us skins, and we've tried some different things, and we made some surprise folds and all sorts of stuff. But I realized that I never showed you guys how to draw a simple, basic Among Us skin. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a basic Among Us character. If you guys like these videos, make sure to turn on the notifications and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. To start off with our simple Among Us character, you want to begin right in the middle of your paper. I'm going to start here, and to do this, I'm going to start right here, make a line that goes down. I'm going to curve it around. It's going to curl up and come over to here. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line. It's going to go up. It's going to come over to here. And all you do is bring it down. Once you've done this, you're going to make a line that goes over and bring it up just a little bit. Make a small line that goes over. Now right here, draw a line that goes down, it goes over, and bring it right up to here. Try to line it up with this line up here. Lined up right with the face mask, draw a little line that goes out. It's going to come down and over. And there you go, there's your drawing of a simple Among Us character. Now you can color this any color you want to, they have lots of different skins, and once you guys learn how to draw this, then you can add all sorts of fun different hats and different details to it. But I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.